Today, we're going to talk about Brava Elastic Barrier Strips. What they are, what they do, and how to use them as part of an ostomy care routine. Brava Elastic Barrier Strips are elastic adhesive strips designed to be used with an ostomy barrier. They fit around the outer edge of the barrier to provide added support, while stretching and flexing with the body for a comfortable, secure fit during everyday movement. So, what do they do? Brava Elastic Barrier Strips help reinforce the barrier seal, which can extend wear time and reduce the risk of leaks. They add extra security in areas where the barrier may begin to lift, while also helping protect the surrounding skin from moisture and irritation. Comfort is another key benefit. The elastic material conforms to the body's natural contours, making the strips suitable for active lifestyles and changing body shapes without feeling stiff or restrictive. Now let's talk about how to use them. Brava Elastic Barrier Strips are applied after the ostomy barrier is in place. Make sure the skin around the barrier is clean and dry. Remove the backing and apply the strip along the outer edge of the barrier, gently smoothing it down. The elastic material can be lightly stretched to help it contour around curves and folds. One or multiple strips can be used, depending on the level of support needed. Press along the strip to ensure secure adhesion. In summary, Brava Elastic Barrier Strips are a simple and effective way to reinforce an ostomy barrier, help prevent leaks, and support healthy skin, providing added confidence and peace of mind in everyday ostomy care. If you enjoyed what you watched today, please give us a like. And if you want to watch more, please make sure to subscribe to Medical Monks.